Hey, it's me, Kyle from Paver Restoration, 352-282-2886. It's the patio that we had to do a little bit of repairs on. We're in the dry time. We're going to get some lunch, maybe take a cruise. This all has to dry before we can seal it. Look at that, all fixed. Those bricks right there, the caps she wanted removed. Other than that, we did the repairs for all these all the way around. Also, that was removed. So everything's repaired. All the bricks are set. Everything's ready to be sealed. It's got the platinum sand in it, which is my favorite sand, of course. If you look here, it's platty. Just got to sweep a little of that when it's all ready, and we'll be good to go. Looks like our gator friends are still out there hanging out. They're still having an argument. I don't know what they're doing.